This we have the random variable f is such that this expected value e of 3f plus 1 equals to 6 and variance of 3.1 minus 2 times of this f equals to 7. Okay, we know the formula. What is the formula? This e ax plus b equals to a times ex plus b. Okay, we know this part. Okay, so it means we will open this. This is 3, right? Expected value of f, and then plus 1 equals to 6. Okay, so here what we have to find out, this expected value of f. So this is 3 times of ef equals to 6 minus 1. So ef equals to 5 over 3. I'm using this formula. Eax plus b equals to a, ex plus b. Okay, this. Now in case of variance, we know the formula for variance of, ax plus b equals to a square of variance x. It means this variance does not depend on this one, does not depend on this constant value. Okay, so here what is the coefficient of the random variable? That is -2, right? So it will be always positive. Okay, because even negative square of negative is also positive, right? So that this what we can write here, you can write -2 its whole square, or simply 2 its whole square. Variance of f equals to 7. So variance of f equals to 7. Then this is okay using this formula. So the formula is very important. You must memorize the formula. Okay. Now, after this one, look at question number 2. Okay. So if we look at question number 2, C and D are two independent Poisson random variables such that EC equals to 3 and variance of D equals to 6.1. Look guys, we have two random variables of Poisson distribution. Very important, because in each distribution there are some features we must know of Poisson distribution. Okay, Poisson distribution. One random variable is C, another is D. Okay, so you can see this expected value of C is given 3, and here variance of D is given 6.4. So can anybody tell me if expected value of this EC equals to 3, what should be variance of C? Remember, in case of Poisson distribution, this Ex equals to variance of x. These two are equal. That time we discussed here for Poisson, but it's only for Poisson distribution. Okay. Okay. So for Poisson distribution, Ex equals to or Ec equals to variance of. Okay. Similarly, if variance is 6.1, so Ed will also be 6.1. This feature of Poisson distribution we apply here. Now, when we have to find out its part A, E 9C minus 4D. Okay, it means now here we have, look here. This was the single. Now we are combining two. We are combining two random variables. One is C, another is D. Okay, there may be plus sign or maybe minus sign. So whatever sign is there, you will write. Okay, like here, it's expected value of 9C minus here, then minus. If plus, suppose plus here, I will write plus here. Okay, and then expected value of 4D. Okay, so how to open this one? We know this is the formula. It will be 9 times of, there is not any constant value, so plus b is not, plus or minus b is not there, so no need to write that one, means that is 0, and minus this is 4 times of expected value of d. So here we can write the values. Oh. Now this is 9 times of EC is how much? This is 3. Okay, and 4 times of yeah, 6.1, right? Because this ED is 6.1, EC is, so 27, and this is 424. Okay, 27.0, 24.4, 6 and 1. This is 10 minus 4 is 6, 6 minus 4 is 2. This is 2.6, right? Now we have to find out, this is B, variance D plus 0.2C. So this is means variance of D plus variance of 0.2C. Okay, so it is not having any, I mean, directly we will write value from here, 0.1, and this is 0.2, its whole square, and variance of C. So 6.1, and this becomes 0.04, and this is the variance of C is 3. Okay, so this is 6.1 plus 0.34 12, 1, 2. Okay, so when we add 6.22, this is 6.22.